Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be doing my nails. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I love nails. I love to look at my nails and be like super pretty, and so I couldn't help it since I haven't been able to do my nails for so long. I just bought all of these things. Everything that I'm using in this video is gonna be in the description box. I'm gonna leave all the links down below. Most of the links are gonna be affiliate links, so keep in mind that that is something that I'm gonna be making a little bit of money out of them, but a couple of pennies. That won't change the price of what you pay for them or anything like that. So right now in this part of the video I am putting the aluminum foil. What I did is I used the acetone with the cotton balls and put it there. I'm jumping very fast because I didn't really record everything, and the parts that I record that I couldn't really leave it there because it was blurry or everything like that. Now I am removing the actual nesting, which is a very thick material that they use. It's like a powder, but when it gets to your nail it's kind of like melts to your nail, and as you see it's very thick and it's very hard to remove. I had a really hard time removing it, and I learned that you should start with one hand first and then the next one. You're gonna notice that you're gonna see that part next after this click. So I basically waste so much time because I tried to do both at the same time and that didn't work. In one hand I'm wearing gloves and the other one I'm not, because it was basically impossible to wear both hands. If you have somebody who can help you with this process, will be so much easier, because doing both hands by yourself is extremely hard. So at this point I'm just showing you that I'm filing my nails to help the acetone to work into the product that it is inside of the aluminum foil, but it was extremely hard. It took me literally 3 hours to do this. It was insane. After this process everything will be so much easier, because now I'm just wearing regular gel polish. I'm cutting my nails. I'm cutting them very short for what I had before, because one of them was broken. The moment that I removed the nesting, it was too hard to remove and I ended breaking it. So I am cutting all of them and I'm gonna file them with a length that I'm very comfortable with. It's not too short, it's not too long. It's just basically enough space for my nail bed to be fine under my nails. Now we are basically filing my nails, giving it like a it's kind of like a square shape with a little bit of round corners, because most likely if I don't leave my corners round they are gonna break. So I'm trying to avoid that situation by making my corners a little bit round. Now I'm applying my cuticle remover. That's basically gonna help to make the cuticle soft. I'm applying it in both hands, and I also gonna put my hands in the water for helping to soften those cuticles even further. Now I'm applying it again, and I'm gonna be pushing my cuticles with this little tool right here, and that's just gonna make everything easier to remove afterwards. Now we're doing the most dangerous part of this whole process, which is basically the actual removal of my cuticles. This was very scary, I'm not gonna lie. At this point I'm okay because I'm using my right hand to do my left, but when I'm doing my right using my left, it's going to be another different picture. You're gonna see what happens. But I mean, for being my first time doing this, I actually did a really good job. I cut myself twice, but it wasn't really bad, because I mean you can feel when you're grabbing something more than just the cuticle. You kind of like feel that you're grabbing a little bit of flesh, so you can stop before that happens. So be very gentle, careful, do it very slowly, don't rush to this process, otherwise you're gonna cut yourself way more than twice as I did. I was feeling very confident at this point because it was kind of like easy, but then I was like, okay, please God, help me, this is gonna be so hard. I even asked Jesus to help me. Here we start. This part was easier. I don't know why when you get into your pinky and your finger next to your pinky, is so hard. Like my thumb was easy, my following finger was okay, but then when I start getting to the middle finger, things start getting a little harder. I actually cut, this is the hand that I cut 2 times, 2 different fingers, but it wasn't too bad. I blade a lot, but I control it. It wasn't too bad, but again, this is the part when you have to be extremely careful. This is the part that we start doing the actual painting of the nails. The first thing that I need to do is removing all the oils from my nails with a cotton ball and acetone. It has to be very clean, no oils, no residues for any other product. Otherwise, the gel polish is not gonna stick to the nail. The first thing that I need to do is using the base. Again, every product that I'm using here, I'm gonna leave it down below in the description box if you want to use them. I also needed to buy this machine, which is the LED lights. Otherwise, the gel polish won't dry. And now I am applying the actual nail polish, which is a beautiful kind of like a dark new color. I bought a bundle that it has like, I'm not sure if it has like 8 or 10 colors, but it's super cute, super convenient. The bottles has more, so if it's only you using it and you just need it to do once a week or so, this set is amazing because it has many new colors. You can also pick other one that has a little more bright colors and everything. And talking a little bit about my machine, I was a little bit scared because I read so many bad reviews about so many different machines in Amazon, but I'm very happy to tell you that this one worked just perfectly fine. I hope that it doesn't break anytime soon. I finished my left hand super fast. Obviously, I was using my right hand to do that, so it was extremely easy. I mean, yeah, I did it very slow. I made sure that I try my best. I mean, it's not perfect, but you will see the end results. Now, this is the other way around. I'm using my left to do my right, and I'm putting the coat in this part of the video. Now, I'm placing my hand again into the machine. Now we're gonna be starting doing the actual nail polish, and let me tell you, it's not easy to do your nails with your left hand. You need to make sure to shake your bottle because nail polish tends to separate inside the actual container. The ingredients separate, so you need to make sure to shake it very well before using it. Now I'm placing it again into my UV light machine. I put 2 coats of the nail polish color. Now I'm putting the finish coat, which is like the shiny part of it, like the seals everything, and make sure nothing is wet. So after this one, I'm gonna just place my hands 120 seconds. I was going to say minutes, but no, seconds. So I'm gonna place it one time and then place it again to make sure that it's 100% dry. After 3 hours of being doing my nails, I'm almost there. Oh my god, that was so satisfying applying that hand cream. At that point I was like, oh my lord, I'm almost done. This feels so good. And I also apply a little bit of oil for my cuticles to make sure the hydration comes back to the skin and everything goes back to life, since I apply so many coats and so many times acetone to be able to remove that nestion. Let me tell you, nestion is extremely hard to remove, and that's why when you go to the nail place, they just file the whole thing out of your fingers basically, because it's extremely thick and hard to remove. But I'm so happy how everything ended looking like. This is so beautiful and I'm so excited to keep doing my nails here at home. If you like this video, don't forget to give big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.